Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa E8 espresso machine. Now this machine has been here already twice, and the first time it was here because it just needed a tune-up. We cleaned the other side of the machine, cleaned the brew unit, descaling it, doing descaling it and doing the cleaning cycles of the machine, making sure everything is good, re-lubricating the whole brew unit, putting it back together, replacing a bunch of gaskets, and then just yeah, clean it very well from the other side, not this side. This side is completely different. Then the second time that this machine came in, the water pump was failing. That one that you see right there is brand new. We replaced it with that one that you see, and the machine was pressurizing properly, putting the right correct flow as well, and it was brewing correctly. Then this machine came back, and this time it came back because of a leak, completely unrelated to the two problems that I just mentioned. The whole leak was just in here. The elbow needed to be replaced, as well as the gaskets and part of the valve, part of the steamer. So we had to replace this whole thing, this whole assembly, take the whole panel out, take the entire door all the way, get to this area, remove the entire pins, clean it, put it back together, and then test it multiple times to make sure this does not leak. So yeah, that's what we've been doing with this espresso machine, and now we're gonna be testing it out. You can see the thermoblock side, and as you can see, you will be able to see any kind of leaks or anything. All the water that this machine uses goes through here. The water tank that is located to the water, the hose that is connected to the water tank is located right there. This goes to the flow meter. Flow meter goes all the way into the water pump. Better so that way you can see it. So that hose that you see right there, that is connected straight to the water tank. It goes into the flow meter, it goes into the water pump, then it goes into the flow membrane, where it goes into the thermoblock, gets heat up, goes out, goes into the brew valve in here. Either it goes into the brew unit to do espresso, or it goes into this other valve where it will do steam or hot water. You can see how it reroutes through here. It goes into this area. You twist this to the left, and then you open the valve, and then the water shoots through here, and then it goes out into the steamer. This is all where the water happens, and from this side, and this is where you get to see the most pressure also coming out from these hoses. Connect these properly. There you go. Perfect. Now it's connected, and we're just going to be testing it. So starting with hot water, which is the easiest one to test. As you can see, there's no leaks or anything like that. We're having pressure already in the line. Like I was saying, water goes from the water tank, flow meter, into the water pump, then into the flow membrane, thermoblock, goes into the valve. You open the valve, and then you have hot water through here. Now let's test the steamer. Now, whenever you put this machine to do steam, this thermoblock needs to get to a certain temperature. Once it does, the machine will let you know that it's up to temperature. Then, when you turn this valve on, the machine will start pulling water from the tank, and it will pulse. You will see it in just one bit. All right. Now that it's heating, there you go. It will start pulsing. It will just grab a little bit of water and push it through the system, and that's what will create the pressure that you see right here on the steamer. I will go towards the valve, it will go towards this, and then you will see it on the steamer one itself. As you can see, excellent pressure coming out from the one, really good temperature, and as you can see, no leaks or anything coming out from that fitting. I also replaced some of the gaskets of these other hoses, the ones that you see right here, and here, to make sure that there are not any additional leaks. And like I said, we've been testing this machine for quite some time already, and we have not seen a single leak coming out from this after replacing the elbow and after replacing all the gaskets. Now let's go to the front side and do an espresso shot. We have a little bit of coffee inside the chamber, so I'm just going to show you do just do an espresso shot. Now coffee is getting grinded right here. This is the grind over here. It pushes through the other side of the machine, the one I was telling you where we did the tune-up. Then that's where the brew unit pressurizes the entire shot, and that's where you get to brew coffee. As you can see, that water pump that we installed is definitely pushing water through the entire system, as we saw from the steamer and hot water. We're also seeing it right now on the spouts. Excellent flow, really good. I'm just gonna stop it because this cup is more, it's not more than 4 ounces, and I think the setting was around 4 or 5 ounces of liquid. So you can always increase or decrease the quantity through here, and even though we got 4 ounces of liquid, you can see that beautiful crema on top of the shot, looking great. Water tank sensor definitely works, as the machine is already asking us for water. And if we go through here, you'll see that the machine now says ready, and it's ready to start brewing. We do have the filter of the machine, so we've been using it this whole time. We've been using the machine, we've been using it with the filter itself, and as you saw, the machine is just working perfectly fine, having the right amount of coffee being distributed, right amount of water being distributed, and no leaks coming out from the one or anywhere inside the machine. So there you have it, Jura Impresa EA working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.